Assalamu alaikum and good morning, good morning, good morning to everybody, to all my students, everybody who's watching this video. Assalamu alaikum. And it's a beautiful new day in front of us. Another present from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, which we are going to open up and explore and see what's good in it and what's good we can do in the whole day, which we are going to have. So I hope you have started your day very well with the gratitude, and you are going to continue your day in the same way. Okay. Yay. So what we are learning in our literacy class these days, we are learning about vowels, and we are making vowels and consonants friends, and we are making CVC words. Remember, we did it last time. We took one vowel and we took two consonants and we made another new word. Now, we used two vowels first. Remember, we used A and E. We used these two in our last class. We made the words with the help of these two vowels. So today we are going to use the rest of the three, and they are we did A and E, and today we are going to do I, O, and U, right? We're going to take these three vowels, and with the help of consonants, you're going to make the words. Okay, now let's start. So I will take my board and I will write over here with the help of my board marker. See, it is written whiteboard marker. So don't ever confuse it with the permanent marker. You are going to have this because on the other marker, it's written, it's permanent marker. So we are going to write C, consonant, vowel, and consonant words, right? So we are going to make another CVC word today. So we are going to take today first, we did A and E, then we're going to take I, right? Okay, we will write I over here. Right, now we are going to make the words. We have the vowel I, and we have to take two consonants to make another one. Now, which word do you think, which consonant do you want to put over here? B, okay. B, I, and excuse me, B, I, then another consonant. Okay, G, yes. This can make a word. Excuse me. Yeah, B-I-G, big. Okay, that's good. Okay, another word you're going to make. Again, B. Okay, B, I. Okay, now we're going to put D. Somebody says D. Yes, B-I-D, bid. Yeah, good. Okay, now another word you're going to make. I need two consonants. Okay, again, B. Okay, B, I. What else? N. Okay, yes. Yay, B-I-N. Bin. Very, very good. Very good. Okay. Another I. Now, who is going to give me the consonant, two consonants? H, okay. I'm going to write H over here. Yes, H. Then I. What should come here? D. Okay, let's see. What does this make? Hit. H-I-T. Hit. Very good. Okay. Now we'll write another over here. Now I'll write I over here. D. Okay, I'm going to write D. D. I. P. Okay, somebody says P. Yay, D-I-P, dip. Yes, very, very good. D-I-P, dip. Okay, now I will write another over here. I. Now you're going to give me two consonants. Again, B. Okay. B. Now, B, I, T. Okay. Bit. Yes, this says bit. We did hit and we did bit. Good. Yes. We can make another word. Shall I make? S, I, P, sip. Yeah, I just got that. Sip. Yay. That's good. See, I got the word. Okay. Another one we're going to make. Now let's see. Sip. S. Okay. S-I. Yeah. S-I-T. Sit. Okay. One more. One more we're going to make. Maybe two more. Okay. Sit. Now. T. Okay. T. I. N. Yes. T-I-N. Tin. We did not make tin. Yes. Tin. T-I-N. Tin. Very good. Okay. Now one more we're going to make. Right? Okay, who is going to tell me? Okay, W. W. I. G. Wig. Wow. So let's see how many words have we made. B-I-G big. B-I-D bid. B-I-N bin. H-I-T hit. D-I-P dip. B-I-T bit. S-I-P sip. S-I-T sit. T-I-N tin. And W-I-G wig. That is great. Super great. So we made the words with the help of the vowel I and the consonants. That is great. Now we are going to make more words now. Now this time we are going to use the vowel, the fourth vowel we are going to use, and that is O. O, O, O. Right? Now you're going to tell me that, okay, F, okay, F-O-G, yes, F-O-G, fog, yeah, very good, F-O-G, fog, okay, yes, now, next, okay, G, G-O-T, good, G-O-T, got, very, very good, very good. Okay, another O, and now you're going to make the word. Okay, N, good, N-O-T, not, very good, got, not, very well done. Okay, now another word you're going to make with O, you're going to tell me. Okay, R, O, T, rot. Very good. They're all rhyming now. Got, not, rot. That's good. Okay. Now one more. Are you able to see that? Okay, got, mod, rot. Okay, S, O, N, B. Okay. Yes, S-O-B, sob. Very good. Okay, now let's make some more. Oh, now come on, tell me. Okay, M, very good. M-O-P, mop. Yes, very well done. Very good. We're going to make up over here. Okay, another word. Who's going to tell me another word? Okay, L, good. O, and okay, L-O-G, log. Very good. And what is rhyming of log? Yes. D-O-G, dog. Very good. Let's see if we can make some more. Dog. Then D, okay. D-O-E, dog. Yeah, D-O-B, dog. Then another one. Now who's going to make? Who's going to make the word? Okay, H, right? H-O, H-O-T, hot. Very good. Very good. Now this is also rhyming with got, not, rot, hot. Yay, that's great. Now one more to go. What are you going to tell? Yes. G-O-D, God. Wow, you made fog, got, not, rot, sob, log, mop, dog, top, hot, and God. Wow. Wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. That is great. So the next vowel we are left with. And what is that? What is the next vowel? You. Yes. Now we have you. Okay, now we're going to write you over here. Now you're going to make B, okay. B, U, yes. B, U, D, bud. Yes, very good. Okay, now you're going to tell me another word, bud. Okay, again, B, right? B, U, B, U, G, bug. Very good. Okay, another one. Tell me. B again. Okay. B, B, U, and bun. Yeah, good. Then bun. Then with bun, what do we want to drink in something? Yes, C, U, P. Cup. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Okay. Oh, we're going to go for another word. You're going to add U, G, hug. Yay. Okay, now we're going to make one more over here. Hug. Now think something. Okay, R. Somebody says R. R-U-B. Rub. That's great. Okay, we have a vowel and we need more two consonants to make another word. Okay, R again. R-U. Okay, R-U-G. Rug. Very good. Very good. Very good. Excellent. You're going good. Vowel, and now we need two consonants. Okay, see, T, U, B, tub. I'm not writing properly because that's, I have to write it like this, but I'm sorry. Right? Tub, and what you can see on the sky these days, S-U-N. Yes, sun. Very good. Another, sun. Something rhyming with sun. Yes, R-U-N. Run. Yes. Okay, we'll make one more of here. Another, sun, run. Something you eat and you blow the balloons with. Yeah, G-U-M. Gum. Oh, wow. Let's see how many we have made. Excuse me. There are even more, but we have made some of them. Right? Now we have bud, we have bug, bun, cup, hug, rub, rug, tub, sun, run, and gum. Wow. We made so many words and so many friends. The vowels and the consonants. That's great. So, they're very happy now. They have made so many friends. Do you feel happy when you make friends? Yes, we all feel good when we make new friends. And if they're very good friends, then we have a very good time with them. Okay? So this was our literacy class today, and we have learned about the CVC words, consonants, vowels, and consonants. Right? So I'm going to say goodbye from this class now, but please, please, please remember to wash your hands frequently, pat them dry, and sanitize them. Don't go out without any reason, right? Stay safe, stay home. And if you go out, please wear your masks. It's very, very, very important, right? Because this body is our responsibility from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and we have to take very good care of our body. We have to take care of ourselves. See? So if you're not ill, you cannot do your work properly. See, right now I'm not fully perfect. So there is disturbance whenever I'm talking, so I cannot talk properly. So we have to take very good care of ourselves. Yeah, because that's very important, right? So enjoy the beautiful day, enjoy the weekend, but being at home, right? And another reminder, please, you have to subscribe the channel. Don't forget to do that. Don't forget to give it the thumbs up. I will see you soon. Till then, stay safe, be happy, and be grateful. Bye-bye. See you soon.